Good morning, students. How are you all? I all welcome you all to the EVS class. Okay, and I hope you are enjoying the classes and you are comfortable now with the classes because we are doing the classes every day, and every day we are doing new things. We are learning new things, isn't it? So today's topic is different body parts. Okay, and yesterday what we have done in our topic, more about me and different body parts. I also told you about different body parts. I had made you write, and many different body parts you have written to me. Okay, those the body parts I have not mentioned in yesterday's class. Okay, and I am very proud of you all that you have all written the answers correctly, and I am very happy that you are all following the guidelines which is provided by me during the class. Okay, so, we will today learn different body parts and its uses and its importance, as we can say, or how it functions, right? This is the today's topic. So, let's start and see what body parts do and how do they work. Okay, let's start. See, already I have written something that body parts and its uses, how do they function, right? For example, we will take nose function is for smell, eyes to see, ears to listen or to hear, mouth to talk, eat, speak, right? Different body parts have different functions and its uses, as I said you in the previous class also. See, head consists of hair, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, mouth. Okay, these are the parts of the face. Neck joins the head with rest of the body. Chest we breathe in air through nose and also breathe out continuously. Arms bends, fingers bend too, isn't it? These are the body parts, or we can say these are the walking body parts. Without this, we can't do anything, isn't it? Okay, so we will move to next topic, that is function of legs, heads. Okay, function of legs to walk, to run, hands to eat, right, to cook, and the sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. Even they are also sense organs, as well as they are also included in our body parts. By the help of this, we can do many things, isn't it? We have 10 fingers in our hand. Okay, but total we can say we have 20, right? 10 in the toes, 10 fingers, that means it's 20. So what we will see that different body parts have different functions. We learned today functions of legs, hand, eyes, ears. Okay, hands, legs, isn't it? So there are, as I said, there are functional body parts and body parts which are working, that are the main body parts. Okay, so if you will take an example like Puja is walking, Puja is walking, like Tom is playing. So what we will take, that Puja is walking with the help of legs, Tom is playing with the help of his legs as well as hands. Means he is catching the ball, that means he is using his hands, right? So these examples can be considered as working body parts. Okay, so as I said, ears to listen, mouths to talk, eat, speak, isn't it? So with the help of nose we can smell, right? With the help of eyes we can see, with the help of ears we can hear, with the help of mouth we talk, we eat, we speak, isn't it? So how body parts are so important for us, right? So I hope this part is clear to all of you. Okay, and how do they function, what is the uses, we are able to know, right? And I don't think anybody will get any confusion because this is a revision class. We are revising the chapter thrice, right? and I hope whatever questions, whatever worksheets, anything whatever related to body parts will be given, you can answer it properly. Okay, so I have already written here legs and hands, means you have to write the function of legs and hands, or of your choice. You will draw the body parts and you will write the function of that body parts of your own. Not no, not all the body parts, only two of it. Okay, this will be your today's homework, right? So I hope I have made you understood what are body parts. Okay, and what are its function. We will again do one more class on different body parts, and which body parts which I have not discussed today or its functions we will discuss in our next topic, body parts explanation. Okay, so whatever today we have learned, let's learn it thorough, right? And whatever assignment will be given, please do it. Okay, so all of you all of you take care, be happy, stay safe, stay at your home, stay healthy, do your assignments on time, obey your teachers, parents, and stay fit. Okay, so all of you take care, have a very nice day. Okay, and please do follow the regular revision classes thoroughly, so that it will be helpful for your upcoming exams also, right? So bye students, take care all of you, have a nice day.